Okay, it's, I don't know, Thursday, June 8th, 9th. Got a little bit of hay knocked down. Somebody had a question about my baler here. How does my bale counter work? So my bale counter is right here. And this arm, I guess this arm comes around and hits the bale counter. So you got to have this little nub right there. Okay, see how they line up? And there is a bracket right there. Mine's supposed to have a little thumb wheel on here to set it to 0, but it's not there. So yeah, that's how the bale counter works. And of course, when you have broken bales, you have to account for them. Early in the season, when I have broken bales, which I have more, I will zero this, and then I'll just click off my 50-60 bales that I have. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.